Well, guys, we're at Kayak here. I just caught a nice one. Hayden's right beside me. And we're on kayaks today. And yeah, we're gonna get the release on him. There he goes. He waved goodbye. Well, guys, my second fish of the day. I think it might be a male. Last one was a female. Bleeding, I hooked him pretty good down in there. He's good now, though. Got the hook out. Bye, buddy. Well, guys, third fish of the day. I think it's a nice female. I just caught her here on a bandito bug. I switched. I was using some yum dingers. So I caught that bigger one on, and then that last one that you guys saw, the second one. But third one, I'm gonna let her go here. Caught her right in here on her bed, I think. There she goes. Fish number 4. Currently beating Hayden in the quantity and quality, I guess. But this is just a little guy. Caught it on bandito bug here in the kayak. Let him go. Whoa!